Hey guys, today I'm going to introduce you with the 900 series, a band seater. This is the floor type compared to the vertical type. You can take a look at the difference. So this pretty much, I think the height of this was about half meter. Let's take a look at the control panel. With all the things probably the same. This one has a little ink heater because you can do a hot ink printer on this. You have the ink temperature, ink heater, fan heater, model, speed, and emergency switcher, and the mark position. That's pretty much it. Alright, so if you guys have any questions, just comment or write me send me a message about your question. And that's all for now today. Thank you.